Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and plant my fall window boxes and hanging baskets. I want to plant Petchoas for the fall. So these are the Petchoas I'll be planting. I got various colors. So this is the Super Cow Blue. So Petchoas are a hybrid of petunias and calibrachoas. So I want to put, I don't know if they'll do well in these window boxes, but I'll go ahead and try. So I want to put one in each. So that's the blue. This is the French vanilla. It will go in that one. I have a few others here. So these will go in the hanging baskets. So this is violet. This other one is a purple dawn. This is a cherry. This other one is cinnamon. This is another purple dawn. And this is another violet. So I've already planted one cherry in here. I'm just reusing the same potting mix that was in these window boxes. And I'm adding fertilizer to them. I'll water them once I finish. In these three, I've already planted these three. So this one has the blue. This is the blue, the purple one. And then this one has the cinnamon, and this one has the French vanilla. So I have 6 of these window boxes, and then I also have 6 of the hanging baskets right there. So 3 on that side and 3 on the other side. So those 3. So I'll be planting on the hanging basket. I'll plant these 6 right here. So let's go ahead and get these 2 planted. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is clean out these window boxes. So in the spring I planted verbenas in these window boxes, and I'll just reuse the same potting mix. So this is Imperial lawn fertilizer. I no longer need lawn fertilizer, so I've just been using what I have, using it for various, in various other applications until I finish it. So. Petunias and calibrachoas are high feeders, so I'm adding a lot of fertilizer. And also I'm sure this potting mix is very depleted because I keep reusing the same potting mix every season. This is probably the third year that I'm reusing these window boxes, and it's the same potting mix. So I usually add a lot of fertilizer at when I'm planting out, putting in new plants. So I'm hoping that these Petchoas spread and fill out these window boxes on the hanging basket. So I'm putting them in the middle and hoping that they will spread out. Okay, those two are done. It's starting to rain. I'll let them sit in the rain. If the rain is not enough, I'll come back and water them. I'll do the others and show you at the end how they look like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is one of the hanging baskets. So I see some part of the verbena is still alive, so I'll keep that. I won't get rid of this verbena because they're really good in our zone, but I'll get rid of these weeds. Maybe the dead parts of the verbena I'll take those out. But let's see how much of this I can save. That's okay. think these are what, splurge weeds? Yeah, I think this is splurge. Plants. No fertilizer. Put it right there. This is the purple dawn. It's really pretty. And this is a purple homestead verbena. It's a deep royal purple, so almost this purple, this right here. So maybe they might look nice together once they're all back to, once they're established. And this hanging basket is, I need a new cocoa core, but I couldn't find any on sale this fall, at least normally where I get them. I might have been too late. I might need to wait until the spring to get some new ones, but this has lasted I think 3 years as well, so it's time to change them. But for the winter I'll let them, let's see if it will make it through the winter. So that's done. So that's how it looks like. I'll do this one next, and this will be the last one, and then I'll show you how they all look like at the end. Okay, here are the window boxes, the 6 window boxes. I will let them sit here so that they can be rained on for a couple of days. It's going to be raining I think for the next week. I'll let them be rained on before I put them on the windowsills. 3 there and 3 on the patio. So I'll basically let them establish out here. The hanging baskets are done. So that's the first one. That's the second one. The verbena is still there. It's number 3. And the other 3 are back on this side. So here's number 4. I did the cinnamon one next to this Wyoming canna lily. I think they look nice. They complement each other. So that's number 4. Number 5 is right here. And the last one is here. So that's all of them. Okay, and with this, I'll stop here. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.